masks have played a significant part in religion and social practices for millennia, and are both well-liked works of art in the West and ritual artifacts in Africa. They are produced and used according to certain rites connected to the spirit realm. Discover 5 amazing facts about African masks by watching on. If you want to plan your next trip to Africa, please visit flightstoafrica.net to grab the best flight deals to Africa. Number 5. Craftsmen will make sacrifices for protection. Craftsmen frequently carry on their tradition of carving and embellishing African tribal masks from generation to generation. Wood is commonly used to carve tribal masks. It can be risky to take down a tree to produce a mask, and frequently a chicken is offered to the tree before it is cut down. The iron deity must be placated by the artisans. At the shrine, he keeps close to his place of employment. He makes an offering of cock blood and other stuff. The mask is then carved and shaped within heads. African heads are valuable collectibles in and of themselves. Number 4. Masks often incorporate natural material. This can contain animal-derived materials like cowrie shells, feathers, and ivory, as well as skins, bones, and horns from various animals. They can occasionally be stranger, like quills from a porcupine. Some masks are made of plant materials like raffia or cotton. Sometimes even human teeth and hair are used to create masks. Masks occasionally have ornamental components like metal, beads, terracotta, and glazed ceramics. Number 3. Mask wearing is a vital part of African secret societies and life cycle rituals. Many secret societies exist in Africa, and they have a significant impact on the local communities where they are present. Typically, there are separate ones for men and women. They frequently perform circumcision rites to initiate their members at puberty, and they frequently instruct their members on appropriate social behavior and sexual conduct. Other secret societies are primarily made up of government officials and law enforcement personnel. Some people have significant religious influence on their neighborhood. Number 2. Wearing a mask erases your previous identity. African tribal masks do not depict actual individuals, either living or dead, or even actual animals, when they consume the goods of animals. Additionally, when someone wears an African mask, their unique personality is lost. As an alternative, a spirit resides inside the mask, and anything the wearer does or says is attributed to the spirit. These ghosts are frequently the spirits of deceased ancestors or even unborn people. In certain instances, the mask and additional accessories completely enclose the person's body to prevent others from recognizing them. The wearer's name is never mentioned. In fact, a masked soul may become enraged and seek retribution if it comes off in front of someone who is not a member of the secret organization. Number 1. Masquerades are a form of peer pressure. Typically during dancing ceremonies, masks are used. In some towns, everyone in the community is expected to attend these functions. Members of the audience are approached by the dancers wearing the mask, who then continue to expose their vices and moral shortcomings. Being publicly embarrassed and called out like this usually causes someone to alter their conduct going forward. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.